Ever got upper back pain and stuck with it? Ever thought, why does this pain doesn't go away? Well, that's exactly what we are going to discuss today. Hi guys, my name is Priya. I'm a sports physio currently working with Vidarbha Cricket Association. I've been working in the field of cricket since last 3 years and this is my channel. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and stay till the end of the video. Alright, now let's check out some of my go-to exercises for upper back pain. Hi guys, so first exercise that I'm going to show is thoracic rotation. For that, we'll come into a quadruped position, that is this position. Alright, in this, suppose ye हाथ को पूरा अंदर and then take it forward and up, in, then forward and up. If I show on this hand, अंदर जाएगा पूरा, then bring it up, rotate with it and then bring it back down. Bring it in, rotate, take it up and bring it back down. This will be your first exercise. In this, the variations that you can do are, suppose if you cannot move your shoulder like this, you can keep your hand on your head and you can do the rotations, very simple rotations. And if this position of hand is not possible, you can keep your hand on the back and go for simple rotations. Try to move back as much as possible. Another variation of the same exercise is for people who have knee pains and cannot go into that position. For this, you can lie down on one side, okay. Your upper leg, you have to lock it with the hand below and the other hand will go from touch the floor and it will try and go back as much as possible. Try to touch the floor on the opposite side. Alright, you will touch the floor here and you can touch the floor on the opposite side. Try to rotate as much as possible. Same hand positions can be used. If you cannot use this motion, you can place the hand on the head and do simple rotations. It will have the similar effect. Other thing that you can do is you can put your hand on your back and you can do the same rotations. Alright, so that is your same variation. The second exercise that we are going to do is thoracic extension. Alright, for this you have to come in the same position. This is quadruped position, box position. In this you have to try and bring your upper back as low as possible and then try to hunch it back as much as possible. Alright, low and hunch, low and hunch. You can move your neck with it, low and hunch. Alright, so this is another exercise for it. Another variation for back extension or upper back extension will be for people who cannot go into a quadruped position because of knee pain or shoulder pains. In those conditions, what you can do, you can take a towel roll like this, roll it up, make it of this size and then you have to lie down. Place the towel roll at your middle back, okay, place it over here and then what you have to do is you have to take your head back as much as possible, try to extend and bring it back up. Don't use your neck muscles much, it is mainly for your shoulders and your back muscles will be working. You go back, come up, back and up. The third exercise to reduce your upper back pain is your shoulder retraction. Alright, for this we will be using the similar towel roll. You can also use a foam pad if you have or a rolling pad if you have. Alright, in this you will keep the roller or your towel roll in a straight position. Lie down on it, keeping it at your lower back and your entire back will come on it. In this position, flex your knees and then your hands you have to try and push your shoulders as much as possible down and up. This will be your exercise. You will keep on moving the shoulders down, your elbows down as much as possible and try to bring it up only up to a neutral level. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. These were my 3 go-to exercises for upper back pain. So if you found this useful and you find this thing will be helpful to you, give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos. If you have any views, you can leave them in the comment section below. You can even leave your suggestions for any more videos in the comment section below and I'll try to make as many videos as possible. Alright, thank you guys. Bye bye.